In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Master PDF Editor. Now, the first way to do this is by going up here to where you can see Forms, clicking on that, and from here you want to go to Signature. When you click on this, you can just basically drag and draw a rectangle for your signature. So just like this, as you can see, I can just draw it out here, and as you can see, it says Signature. Now, the same can be achieved if you just click on this button up here, which as you can see says Signature, but of course, if you don't see it, that's what you have to do. Then whenever you see this box here, you can move it around and you can double click it, and it's going to open up signature properties. Now in here, you can then sign as and click on over here, and you can select any of your signatures just like this, and then you can of course set different settings over here, different reasoning, location, etc., and then the appearance settings here as well. I'm just going to skip this and click on sign, and as you can see, it's going to say it's going to add a watermark. I'm going to click on OK, and I can now save this file, and it's going to be signed. Okay, that's the first way to do it. However, there's also one more way. So we can click on this button up here, which says place initials. So you can just click on that, and by default, of course, the initials are not going to be set. So you could go ahead and create new initials in here. You can just basically type in, I'm just going to do IHT over here. Let's say this is fine. I'm going to click OK. And then if I click on that to place initials, I'm going to set these as default. Okay, and then I can go ahead and basically click anywhere, and it's going to add my initials in here, and this can also act kind of as a signature, okay, but of course just of my initials. So that's essentially how you add signature in Master PDF Editor. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.